guys, today we're going to be speaking about having a trading plan and how important it is for us to never go outside of that so-called trading plan. Yeah, because all good traders have a trading plan. They trade to a certain way, conditions, market structure, candlestick formation, however it is, they all have a trading plan. No good trader goes in the market without any sort of plan or how they're going to trade the market. So today we're going to be speaking about how to have a good trading plan and not to deviate outside of that trading plan, because once we deviate outside that trading plan, we're going to lose straight away. We're going to lose the trade. We're not going to have no structure to our trading. All of that, it's just going to go out the window. So the most important thing is to have a good trading plan and stick to it. That's the word, stick to it. Once we stick to the trading plan, we're going to excel in the markets, definitely excel. So yeah, let's head over to the charts. Alright guys, the topic of today is having a trading plan. Now, having a trading plan is your own plan of how you're going to trade the market, yeah? So you write it down, you have it in your mind, whatever you know, you're going to keep the plan safe, have it available to you. Now you could say, you in your plan, you only trade off the daily. As you can see, I'm on the daily, GBP, Aussie dollar, yeah? And for me, I might say, okay, I'm trading off only the daily chart. I'm only going to take an entry on the daily chart. Or you could say, all right, I'll trade off the 1 hour. Yeah, I'm on the 1 hour. As we can see, there's a lot of up and downs on the 1 hour. Even if you zoom out a little bit, you can see there's a lot of up and downs on the 1 hour. So you might turn around and say, all right, cool. I want to drop down to the 4 hours. 4 hour chart, sorry, H4. Up and downs. Now, your trading plan can consist of simple support resistance. So you say, all right, I'm only going to trade when it hits resistance, or I'm only going to trade when it hits support. Let's change this color here. When it hits support, that's the only time I'm going to trade. If it doesn't hit my support or my resistance, I don't trade, period. If that takes 2-3 weeks or 2-3 days or 2-3 hours, then I'll trade when it hits my support or resistance. Now, let's take that off. Now say in your trading plan you're going to be, say, trend trader or channel trend trader. So let's find a good channel to see. Let's find a good channel. One second guys, trying to look for a good channel. Okay, here's one I can see. It's an upwards channel here. As you can see, give and take. It's not exactly perfect, but now this little section here, as we can see, is in a little channel. But give and take, a little channel here. Now, as you can see, it went from the bottom. So as a channel trend, say, trader, you'll get at the bottom here. So which you buy here, and then you sell at the top, going all the way up. This is what you'll do. Yeah, if you're trading in the channel. So as soon as it goes there, you trade. this is how we'll trade. Trade from here up to here. We sell here, buy here. Sell, buy. Now once it broke, as we can see this candle right here, that broke straight out of the channel. So now it's making higher highs, real higher highs. So that will be, if that's in your trading plan, I only trade the trend or the channel. It could be various things in your trading plan of the 4-hour time frame. If you go to the daily time frame, you could do the similar thing on the daily time frame. I'm only trading the trend. I'm only trading trend lines. It's a trend line here, as you can see. Every tap is hit here, you sell. Every single one, you sell. As soon as it taps it, this one, you sell. Oh, sorry. As soon as it taps it, you sell. All of them. You can sell all of them. Yeah? Throughout the whole, say that'll be a couple of months of selling every time it tapped that channel. Or, again, as you can see the channel, you buy. It tapped here, you buy. It tapped this one, you buy. Funny enough, again, look, you tap this one, what do? You buy. So this is what, if that's your trading plan. Now you could be a trader that trades, let's get rid of this 1 second, go to blank. Oh, you could be a trader that only trades double top, double bottoms. Let's see if we find some double top, double bottom. Let's go on the hour chart to see if we find some double top, double bottoms. Okay, here's one straight away. This is our resistance line. This is near enough a triple top because it touched here. A bit shy, it's shy from here, but I'll still give it that. And it was touching here. Boom, triple top. We sell every time we hit the top. Same for reverse. Let's put our support here. Our charts, change the color. Now we say we're gonna buy, we see double bottoms. Here we go. Look at that, double bottom. Double bottom. So this is what we do. Now we're not just gonna, this on day. Now we're not just gonna trade anything because we see a candle that's going outside of our trading plan now. Because you saw, for instance, because you saw, let's find a big momentum candle. Okay, here's this little section here. Because you saw this candle here going down, but it was against your trading plan of whatever conditions for you to get in. You just saw the big red candle going down, and you thought, you know what, I'm gonna hop in because I believe it's gonna go down. Give and take, it went down for 1 day. Then what happened? It reversed and went all the way up 840 so pips, 850, no, well, 920 pips, yeah, give and take. And this was because you got in on this candle, you thought, yeah, it's going to go down, so I was going to jump in. But it was outside the trading plan. This is what some traders do. Well, this is what some traders do. So we have to stick to a trading plan. Once we stick to a trading plan, we have discipline in the markets. We know when to trade and when not to trade. When to look at the market, when not to look at the market. So we know all of our conditions. So we can open our laptop, computer, look at the market and say, okay, this is not meeting 1, 2, or 3 of my conditions. I'm going to move on. Go to another currency pair, or just not trade for the day, or for the London session or the New York session. I may just not trade. I might just only trade in London, and then not trade in New York, or trade in New York and not the London. So it all depends on your trading plan, guys. So yeah, I just want to leave you with that today. Stick with your trading plan and don't jump outside of any conditions the market doesn't show you that's in your trading plan.